update the ink. If we are just updating individually when we replace the ink and solvent with different models, we need to change them. For example, now 4211, I want to change it to 4210 and 7205 solvent and 4210 ink. First, we need to drain the ink from the system. Make sure the ink inside is completely emptied and flush the lines. After that, we insert the ink and solvent into their respective slots. Then we use a tool here, diagnostics, ink system, ink, and select update from the options below. We just need to click update, and then it will change here to 4210 and 7205.